Hi everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, we'll show you how to rip a DVD using VLC Media Player, so you can easily convert your DVD into a digital video file. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player on your computer. Step 2. Click the Media menu at the top left corner of the VLC window. Step 3. Select Convert Save from the drop-down list. Step 4. In the new window, click the Disk tab. This section is specifically designed for CDs, DVDs, and Blu-ray discs, allowing VLC to read data directly from physical discs. Step 5. Select the DVD option. Step 6. Click the Browse button to locate your DVD drive. This helps VLC know exactly where your DVD is connected on your computer. Step 7. Click this PC from the left sidebar. This shows all available drives and devices connected to your system in one place. Step 8. Select your DVD drive under Devices and Drives. Once selected, VLC can now access the contents stored on the DVD. Step 9. Click Convert Save at the bottom of the window. Step 10. Click the Profile drop-down menu. Here you can choose the video format that best suits your needs for playback and compatibility. Step 11. Select Video H.264 plus MP3 MP4. This is a widely supported format that offers good video quality with reasonable file size. Step 12. Click the gear icon to adjust settings if needed. This is useful if you want to change video resolution, bitrate, or audio quality. Step 13. Click Browse next to Destination. This allows you to choose where the ripped video file will be saved on your computer. Step 14. Type a file name and add .mp4 at the end. This ensures the file is saved correctly and recognized as a video file. Step 15. Click Save. This confirms the file name and destination folder for the converted DVD video. Step 16. Click Start to begin ripping the DVD. VLC will now start converting the DVD content into the selected video format. Step 17. Wait for the conversion process to finish. The time required depends on the DVD length and your computer's performance, so be patient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials like this.